What's going on, guys? It's me again. I'm back with another Korean dish for you called Samgyetang. This is going to be a Cornish hen with some ginseng, some jujubes, some green onions, very basic flavors, garlic, salt, and pepper. And the beautiful thing about this soup is that the ginseng aids in lowering inflammation, aiding in digestion, while the jujube is a really good antioxidant. It helps reduce blood sugar and lower cholesterol. We're gonna try it today, and I'm gonna let you know my true thoughts. So here we go. Some of the broth first. Here's some of that broth. Liquid gold. Very medicinal in nature, very light flavor. The beautiful thing about these kind of dishes is that you can add as much salt and pepper as you want and kind of increase or decrease the intensity of the flavor, but the true benefit is the ginseng and the jujube. It's a Korean version of chicken soup, basically, with the whole Cornish hen inside. And I really like this because it's lighter in flavor. You know exactly what's going into it, and it's just boiled for 35 to 40 minutes on a medium heat, and that natural flavor just comes through so beautifully. Now we're gonna try some of the chicken. We're gonna pull the drumstick off. Look at that, nice and small. Whoop. And I dropped it on the table. Nice and small. And we'll try some of that in the broth. Let's try some of that broth with the ginseng. Ginseng has a really bitter taste, but once you get used to it, pretty good. Try it again. Very good. I really enjoy this soup because it's light. It's light. It's a perfect breakfast, lunch, or dinner soup. And Samgyetang is one of those soups that you can make and just do it in passing while you're relaxing during the day. It's just so simple to make. Once you clean the chicken, you put everything in the pot, you literally just boil it. Maybe have to add water occasionally, but overall, beautiful dish. I appreciate this piece of Korean culture that I get to enjoy in my own convenience. The jujube here has been boiling for about 30, 40 minutes. Sorry, you can't see it because my face is in there, but can you see that now? We'll try that. Here's the inside of it. Very sweet, almost like a date pruny taste to it a little bit, but not overpowering, very light flavor. And I forgot to mention that a key component of this recipe is the glutinous sweet rice. You put that inside of the chicken when it boils, and some of it comes out. You can put some in the pot to boil that as well, but you don't need a whole lot, maybe 2 or 3 tablespoons at most, sometimes 4, but it's a perfect dish. I don't know how anyone that tries this could say, oh, this is not good. Samgyetang is one of those dishes that you can eat. Honestly, it's for cold weather typically. It's one of those kind of pick-me-up type dishes that makes you feel good inside, but I'm the kind of person that could eat Korean soups any time of the year because they're just so good. Look at that ginseng root. Huge. It's soft too. Look at that. You can just break it with your hand. It's so soft. And it just tastes like you're eating a bowl of medicinal wealth. Like, it's so flavorful, but it's light at the same time. Very unique dish. So if you guys ever try it, let me know if you like it. If this is something that you want to learn how to make, it's very easy. You just need a few ingredients. Ginseng can be expensive, or rather on the expensive side, just because that's how ginseng is nowadays. But worth it. Truly worth it if you're interested in trying Korean dishes, especially stews. And this one's perfect for this time of the year. It's fall, it's getting chilly. Some people would argue that it's already winter, but it's cold enough to where a stew like this would warm your body. So hope you guys enjoy it, and yeah, stay tuned for more like this. What more can I say? It's just so good. All right, y'all. I'll see you soon. Peace.